Hi! Finally I'm back home. It was a quite long day. Had to do some overtime because I just realized how busy I am at work at the moment. We have 2 big deadlines coming in like 2 weeks, and we have just barely started the work on the other project, which is a big animation, quite big animation. So I am in a terrible hurry right now. But aside all of that, I decided to do a video today because there's some stuff happening and I haven't done a video in a way too long time. Yeah, and I also went to a car wash on the way home. I had never been in one of those automatic car washes. I have always washed the car myself, and it was nice. And it wasn't that expensive. I thought it would cost more. But yeah, that's definitely an option from now on. We have a little household project for this evening. We are about to buy a new washing machine. Currently we have this joke of a washing machine. It never works properly. I think this thing might be older than me. I don't know. It's super old, and I got it for free when I moved here, but it definitely needs replacing. We will pack it in the car and get it away from here, and then go and buy a new one. A new used one, but still I think it will feel like a new washing machine after that one. But yeah, we have to pack it in the car and get going.
Nyt laitetaan niille sulle pikku asu päälle.
This thing is quite heavy. I think we have to put some towels under it and then try to pull it. Let's see how this goes. We got it there, nice and easy. Couldn't film it, but yeah, it's there now. Now we just need to drive it to Verkkokauppa and leave it there. And now we have a new washing machine. We didn't have the correct adapters to connect it to our water system, but we have the machine now and it fits in there, just barely, but it fits, and we just have to buy some adapters.
Oliko
sä liian kylmä? Okay, now we have the washing machine in place, and I'm also really tired, so I'm just gonna end this here. But anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.